Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and like. Welcome to Basic English Language class. Start with fruit name. A for apple, A for apricot, B for banana, B for blueberry, C for cherries, C for coconut, D for date, D for dragon fruit, E for elderberry, E for egg fruit, F for foxglove, F for fig, G for grape, G for guava, H for hardy kiwi, H for hazelnut, I for MB, I for Yama, J for jackfruit, J for Java apple, K for kiwi, K for kokum, L for lychee, L for loquat, M for mango, M for muskmelon, N for Nancy, N for noni, O for orange, O for opal palm, P for pineapple, P for peach, Q for kiwi fruit, Q for kunipa, R for raspberry, R for ramontichi, S for strawberry, S for sapota, T for toyon, T for Tacoma, W for watermelon, W for wongi, Y for yuzu, Y for yangmi, Z for zebra melon, Z for zigzag wine. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe.